Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the healthy and delicious cauliflower fried rice for diabetics. Cauliflower fried rice is a low-carb and diabetes-friendly alternative to traditional fried rice. It's a nutritious and tasty dish that's easy to prepare. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with Metafast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, cut into florets, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 cup frozen peas, and carrots, thawed 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 eggs, lightly beaten 2 tablespoons chopped scallions. First of all, place cauliflower in a food processor and pulse until it's in small pieces and looks like rice. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat oil until hot. Add cauliflower, peas, and carrots and cook for 5 minutes. Add soy sauce, garlic powder, and pepper. Mix well. Coat a small skillet with cooking spray. Add eggs and scramble until light and fluffy. Stir eggs into cauliflower until well combined. Cook 5 to 7 minutes or until cauliflower is tender. Stir in scallions. Serve your cauliflower fried rice hot, garnished with fresh chopped cilantro, green onions. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.